Three absconding rhino poachers arrested. Villagers carry out road repair work on their own in Hamreng. Mining affected association warns of blockades, calls for fulfillment of demands. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. Here with Julie Baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang informed that 11 new cases of COVID-19 were reported from the Hills district on Sunday, taking the total tally in the district to 155. Of the new cases reported, 6 are from West Karbi Anglong and 5 are from Karbi Anglong, and all of the infected persons are returnees from outside the state. They are now admitted in Diphu Medical College and Hospital for treatment. Out of the total 155 cases, 89 are active and 64 have recovered. Meanwhile, following the report of raised cases in the area, Belbari No. 1, Purana Basti area, Diklem Bengali Basti area, Horu Matikula area and Kheroni Maj Basti area under Kheroni police station have been declared as containment zones. The discharge tally in Assam has risen to 3,360. At the time of filing this report, a total of 2,016 cases are active out of the 5,388 positive cases reported. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. In a major success for security agencies, Karbi Anglong Police, with the assistance of the Forest Department, arrested 2 rhino poachers. The 3 poachers were arrested from Singhason area on Saturday. The 3 arrested poachers were identified as Jonthang alias Thangboy, Muamwan alias Oversize and Ningmyanlun alias Lulun, all from Chorachandpur, Manipur. The arrested accused persons has also confessed of their direct involvement in the sensational Agoratoli rhino poaching, which took place in the first week of May. In addition to this, the 3 also confessed their involvement in another 5 other killings of rhino in the past. The apprehended persons led to recovery of AK-81 weapon concealed underground on a hill near Kaziranga National Park. While speaking to media, SP Debojit Dewry stated that though the poachers were arrested, the rhino horns have not yet been recovered, but they are continuing their efforts for its recovery and may take some more time.
Actually, Dilai Thana under after the Pahar ekdom bitor jagata jagata spostoke kebato jaga ase তাত কণ্টিনিউছলি কেইবাদিনো অপাৰেশ্যনৰ পিছত সিহঁতক ধৰা গ'ল আৰু ধৰাৰ পিছতে ইণ্টাৰগেশ্যন কৰি সিহঁতক ডাইৰেক্টলি সিহঁতি এটা আনচাৰৰ কথা এটা ক'লে, সেইটো আমি কাজিৰঙাৰ যিটো নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্ক আছে তাৰ ওচৰৰ পৰা আমাৰ অপাৰেশ্যনেল পাৰ্টিয়ে গৈ ৰিকভাৰ কৰিছে।
It may be mentioned that the 3 arrested poachers were part of the group connected with firing on forest protection personnel on May 28, during which 1 poacher was killed in the retaliation and 4 other men who arrested during an operation by joint team of Indian Army and Karbi Anglong Police. Diganto Teron with Sarjib Katha reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live News after the break. Tired of zero response from leaders, residents of Hajong and Phangcho village under Ward number 4 of the Hamreng Municipal Board jointly carried out road repair work of their village road. Taking up road repair work on their own, the residents of these 2 villages leveled the road with sand and stone to make a road free from mud and water lodging during the rains. In total, 4 trucks of sand and stones were arranged by collective donation of the residents.
Hamreng Municipal Board, angkang Ward number 3, Salodak Hajong Lapen, Tangkiorong. Kasi lenga tuwar don pini ratur tata si kudali Lapen kota si kaprek mobile trap kli andak do Lapen kaprek kantara tum turpat si adon tin riso yang Lapen sakisar ku tingrumpet si ladak tuwar mane sand gravel ke thopon ilutum ke konong lo
la so social work ke klemalong jate ning training kia
apor huda bang ke misen tu wajib da bari kacala apor huda bang misen tu war kabinet tena jok kalang ti tong sikot la leg woralong sarkar pen jitu government pen le lempon te kilang pu kami la so ati malong chupiduk dulu.
Villagers comprising of youths, men and women joined hands in the road repair work carried out to ease their communication woes. The headmen of both the villages also participated in the work. Meanwhile, villagers stated that this road would not last long and have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council construction of the road. Daniel Inhi reporting from Hamran for Karbi Anglong Live. In latest news coming from Dima Hasao, an important executive meeting of the mining affected groups of Umrongso were held at Rongkangtui Youth Club on Sunday. The meeting was led by Mining Affected Association President Sarthe Ingti and was assisted by General Secretary Wonder Jingtong and attended by executive members. A report from our correspondent. While speaking to the media after the meeting, the association have expressed their grievances and pointed out that Assam Mineral Development Corporation started the Garampani coal extraction project in 1984 and since its inception. AMDC gave approved customer to the local people of the Dima Hasao district, but unfortunately not a single person was from affected area of Boro Lokhindong has given that opportunity, although 60% royalty went to the state government and 40% to the North Kachar Hills Autonomous District Council. According to the association, in 2018 and 2019, the NCHAC received rupees 6 crore 56 lakhs 46,098 rupees as royalty. In total, the NCHAC received rupees 21 crore 69 lakhs 71,353 between 2014 to 2019 as 40% royalty. The most shocking and tragic fact is that not a single development work or project was brought or implemented for the originally affected people of the Boro Lokhindong area, depriving them of everything. Following this, the association took drastic decision of calling for a complete economic blockage against the AMDC GCEP coal mining project.
Affected but the village development committee KSA la suatong do pilon tum wasi ke tong nam tu tame maino tateng bang man ina tu hang neng ke hang ateng manang tok pilo sa mek tun dia phan bang lang tum hang berta la ti jong se la maino ke tok ateng jong se nil tum han patun je lo te nil tum bang strict li bang nil tum bang streamly bang nil tum isi step bang deng nang kok.
In addition to this, the association told media persons that it has come to their knowledge that fresh tender for the project is going to be opened with this month. Following this, the association has demanded overall development as well as allocate one approved customer from the affected area. A meeting on this matter was also held with the AMDC officials at Guwahati, during which the officials assured of considering their grievances as early as possible. Meanwhile, the association has warned of relaunching a strong economic blockage and agitation program against it if their demands are not completely resolved. In addition to this, the association also warned AMDC of approaching the National Green Tribunal against the authority if their genuine demands are not met. Linson Ronghang reporting from Umrongso. In order to promote tourism in the district, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had opened several picnic spots in across the district. Some of them have performed well and had attracted people from various places, and even the authorities taking steps to further develop them. However, the two picnic spots opened within the Tarabasa area have been lying neglected and mismanaged. Neither the KAAC is taking steps to develop them, nor the public willing to maintain the cleanliness and beauty of the place and the structures constructed. Tarabasa picnic spot was opened 10 years ago. The authority did try to develop the place, but for reasons unknown, the attractive picnic spot is now covered with bushes, and the shed and kitchen constructed there have all ruined. On the other hand, the Langherang picnic spot opened in 2018 has been neglected by the public visiting the place. They carelessly litter the place and leave without bothering to maintain the cleanliness and beauty of the place. Plastic packages, wrappers, wine bottles, beer bottles, and many old substances are seen scattered. Conscious people of the area have thus urged upon the people visiting these places not to litter. They have also appealed to the tourism department of KAAC caretaker to look after the place. Dirjuna Rongpi reporting from Tarabasa for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.